we're going to make the presentation to Miss Sandy Richards. Sandy Richards hailed from Clarendon, Jamaica. She was a track and field standout at Vere Technical High School and went on to become an All-American. Clarendon College. That should have been, yes. Still in Clarendon, that's where I'm from, right up in the bushes there. Okay, she went to Vere Technical High School and went on to become an All-American quarter miler at the University of Texas at Austin, where she graduated with a degree in sociology. Sandy has a long list of accomplishments in the sports of track and field and includes a third place in the 400 dash at the World Junior Champion.
Third place over the quarter mile distance at the World University Games in 1988. Sandy made her Olympic debut in Seoul, South Korea, representing Jamaica in the quarter mile event and the mile relay. She has represented Jamaica in a total of 5 Olympics, ranging from 1988 to 2004. Give it up for Miss Sandy Richards. In 1998, she won gold at the Commonwealth Games. A member of Jamaica's gold medal winning team in the mile relay at the 2001 World Championships. This was Jamaica's first gold medal in the mile relay event for women at the World Championships. She's a world beater. Give her a big hand, please. Sandy Richards, not Sanya. Sandy Richards now, don't get it mixed up, holds the record for the most world indoor final appearances with 9. Give it up, please. This is why she's a champion, and this is why we're honoring her this evening, courtesy of Team Jamaica Bickle and you as our witness. In 2006, Sandy retired from track and field to concentrate on coaching. Please stand and bow, Sandy. Most deserving.
Sandy Richards. Is that a jump roller? I'm kind of nervous actually. But I'll read what it says. Celebrating 16 years of service to our athletes or ambassadors, Team Jamaica Bickle recognizes the 2010 TJB honoree, Ambassador Miss Sandy Richards, for excellence in and outstanding contributions to the sport of track and field. On this, the day the Lord has made, April 16, 2010. You are indeed our true ambassador. I'm going to ask Barbara Wilson to present this to you. Barbara? And joining this group is Miss Jamaica and Mr. Chris Dobson from Jamaica Tour Sport.
Okay, that was a weak round of applause. Put your hands together, come on. Claire is going to give the remarks for Sandy Richards. She's having a slight throat problem. And Mr. Claire.
She had a long speech. Very, very long speech. And it says, thank you. Thank you. Know the type of person she is. I know that she's very eloquent, articulate, just as graceful she is on the track when she's kicking everybody else's posterior. But she's graceful in her remarks. I'm doing what she would have done an injustice. But I just want to take this opportunity, though, Sandy, to say to you that when we decided on selecting you, it was a no-brainer. One of the things that Team Jamaica Bickle does every year now for the past 5, 6 years or so is to recognize one of our past athletes who is an Olympian, because she is an Olympian for life. Am I correct? Right. So understand it's a distinction. So when we bestowed on her the title of ambassador, it's because part of our motto for Team Jamaica Bickle is our athletes are ambassadors. And this woman wears that title with extreme distinction. And I want to say right now, give her a round of applause.